here with Anthony on the balcony.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? You ever been on a building before?
It was meant to be mind-blowing.
It was meant to be amazing. Beautiful scenery, amazing people.
I actually really don't know what this workshop's about. I just came for the food and the booze.
And it started with the food.
What does it mean? That wasn't any meat.
Had MSG in it though, which is good.
And there was no cutlery. How are they even meant to eat it?
It was an absolute cluster.
I mean, no one planned it. Like, that's kind of bad.
So I walked into the workshop with my friends and we were obviously looking for new stickers for our laptops, and we sort of went to the organizers and we're like, you know, where are they? And they were like, well, if we want to see the stickers and the coders want to see the stickers, we're going to have the stickers.
Like, what does that even mean?